Today we're going to look at how you can reset the change engine oil soon light on a 2016 Chevrolet Impala. So if you manually change your oil and you need to reset this light, I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. In your 2016 Chevy Impala, you have 4 buttons here. One is a trip fuel. This one right here is the trip fuel button. This one down here is your vehicle information. The other 2 are the customization is this one right here. And then you have a set reset button. Now to change the oil reset, of course you can see on there that it says change oil soon, but if you press this button, you'll notice that it's showing that it only has 1% of the oil life remaining. So, and we just changed the oil, so it should be 100%. So what you do is you go down to the set reset button, press that in, hold it for 5 seconds, and there you can see that it changed to 100% oil life. And that's how you change the oil setting. When you have the change oil soon, that's how you reset it. And now we're good to go. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.